Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be working on our Acura Integra project car. The interior is completed, so now it's time to start working on the exterior. This thing is getting painted, and first things first, I'm going to be removing the bumpers, headlights, taillights, and fenders, because I'm going to be working on that off the car, and then start sanding. So let's get to it. Now there's one more bolt on the other side. Whoa! There we go. All right, now that the front end is completely taken apart, at least to the point that I needed to in order to paint the car, it's time to remove the rear end, starting on these tail lights, which have some bolts in here that I will show you right now. Good. All right, now that the car is taken apart to at least the level that I want it taken apart to, it's time to get it out of the garage and start setting up my repair, sanding, painting station for the bumpers, fenders, and stuff over here. So let's do that right now. Alrighty then. So now that I have finished sanding the parts that I took off, it's time to sand the old girl herself. It's gonna get a new windshield, so I'm gonna just remove this trim right here and the trim up top here and get to sanding. You'll probably see later that I tape off some areas. That is so I don't scratch the other trim or the windows. But yeah, let's start removing this thing. So in order to remove this top piece, I have to heat it up and just pull it out. It's gonna get replaced when we get a new windshield. In order to remove this, I have to heat it up. Yeah. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. sure am tired. Oh, thanks, cameraman. Oh, well, if you're here, I guess that means it's time for sponsor chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. All right, now that the Integra is sanded down, it's time to get it out of here and set up the paint booth and get the rest of the pieces back in here to get painted. And yeah, that's it. So let's get to it. All right, now that all the pieces are sanded and cleaned with wax and grease remover and hung up, they are ready to be primered and painted. If you were to do this, or if you have done this, like painting your car, would you remove all of the fenders and the bumpers and stuff like we did? Or would you just paint it, right on the car? I sincerely want to know. Let us know in the comments below what you would have done. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.